Over my course of selling real estate in different regions of Nigeria, I have had the privilege of talking to investors, talking to potential investors who have heard or who have experienced bad investment while they were investing into real estate in Abuja or in other regions of Nigeria. And for this type of experiences, there might be a lot of factors that cause the bad investment. But for me, one thing I think that caused the bad investment different investors make in different markets is that they did not ask themselves some important questions when it comes to investing into real estate. In today's illustration, I'll be sharing 7 different questions you should ask yourself before you invest into any real estate property, be it in the city of Abuja or in any other region here in Nigeria. My name is Alefne David and I'm a real estate broker here in the city of Abuja who is committed to bringing you the absolute best of real estate, educating you to making informed decisions and also bringing you the most affordable properties for sale in the Abuja real estate market. Like I said before, a lot of investors made bad investment because of the questions they did not ask themselves, because of investing into the wrong properties and also investing into properties that did not suit their chosen investment pattern. These 7 questions I will be pointing out to you are questions that are very key to making strategic real estate investment, to making the right real estate investment, to giving you opportunities to gain returns on investment when it comes to investing into real estate. The first question you should ask yourself is that what are you investing for? Now, I have seen a lot of people that said, okay, they still have that traditional orientation that, okay, when I buy land today, the land don't depreciate, it just go up, because they have that said mindset that, okay, I'm just buying land for the sake of buying the land, not just for a particular purpose. For you to make a strategic real estate investment in any city at all, you have to know why you are investing. Is it for cash flow? Is it for rental income? Is it for land banking or any other investment pattern when it comes to investing into real estate? You have to have an idea for you to make that informed decision when it comes to investing into real estate. 2 is, are you investing for the long term or are you investing for the short term? This conversation is not brought up a lot when it comes to having conversations about investing. Even I, for myself, when I was still a rookie in the real estate space, I lack the knowledge to share that right information to investors. But now that I am very enlightened about how real estate works, about how investing works, I have the right information to pass out to investors for them to choose whether they are investing for short term or for long term. This determines a lot when it comes to investing into real estate in any region inside Nigeria. Third question you should ask yourself is that, am I investing for commercial, for residential, for infrastructural, or for agricultural purposes? A lot of major investments people make are for residential purposes because that is what is needed in the market. Another thing you should consider is that for you to make strategic related investment in different locations, you have to be able to know the supply and demand pattern of that said location. If you want to invest into a residential property in any location, you have to determine if the population in that said location is growing. For example, in Abuja, the population is growing about 6% each year, and this population are moving to a certain location, leading investors to having opportunities to gain rental income on a yearly basis. Now, for an investor who wants to invest into the Abuja real estate market, you should be capitalizing on rental income, investing in location where this population is moving to for you to receive rental income. In any group, for example, it can be for land banking because development is moving to a certain location, leading you to enjoy capital appreciation when that said area has developed to a certain point. Now, this is a very important decision you have to make as an investor is looking to invest strategically into different locations, be it in Abuja or in other cities inside Nigeria. 4 is that, what is the title of the land? One thing I have seen over time, and it has repeated itself over and over again, is that investors don't have enough knowledge, don't have enough information to know what a title is. For us as a real estate company right here in Abuja, we have enlightened investors, we have given them knowledge, and also we are sharing important information for them to know how to invest strategically into the Abuja real estate market. For you to determine how to make the right investment choice when it comes to investing into real estate, you have to have an idea of the title document. If you're investing into a fraudulent land or you're investing into a genuine land, this helps you to make that informed decision you need to make that strategic related investment when it comes to investing into real estate. Another question under this title document is that was it allocated by the federal government or by the local government? This is something that is commonly seen in Abuja. In Abuja, we have two types of title documents. We have the FCDA CFO and also we have the Area Council CFO. For a place like Abuja, you have to ask critical questions when it comes to investing into real estate. I am not going to go too deep in this particular topic because it is a topic that we have to spend a lot of time when it comes to real estate investment right in the city of Abuja. But one thing I would advise to you as an investor is that whenever you're investing into properties in Abuja, do ensure to go for FCDA approved land, FCDA CFO, and everything that has to do with FCDA, because they are the ones that is in charge of development inside the city of Abuja. So one critical question you should ask yourself is that title document you are seeing, who allocated it? Is it the federal government or is it the local government? It helps you to make informed decisions when it comes to investing into real estate. Fifth question you should ask yourself about the location you are investing into is that do you know the history of the location? For a place like Abuja, investing into Abuja, you have to have an idea of the master plan, knowing how this city has been able to develop over time, from the onset of the creation of this city to what it currently is and also to what is going to happen in the future. Having an idea of what is happening in said location gives you the advantage to invest into places that you have opportunities to gain capital appreciation, to gain cash flow most important, and also to gain return on investment when it comes to investing into real estate on a general terms. Having an idea of a particular location is going to help you make that important investment decision that can help you build wealth through real estate investing, help you build sustainable wealth through investing into the right location in that said district or in that said city. Then if you're investing into an estate, be it in Abuja or in any other city inside Nigeria, you have to know the plan of an estate. If it's an estate you're investing into, you have to know the plan of the estate, you have to know the plan of the developer of that said estate. If it is going to benefit you as an investor, as a subscriber who is investing into that said estate, leading you to gain return on investment when it comes to investing into real estate. Another critical question you should ask yourself as an investor is that are you paying outrightly for that investment or you want to use the payment plan option? Currently, a lot of investors and developers are beginning to adapt to the payment plan structure. And this payment plan structure gives a lot of advantages to the investors because they have ample time to pay for that property while they are experiencing capital appreciation when it comes to investing into that particular property. These are the most important 7 questions you need to ask yourself before you make any investment in Abuja. Once again, my name is Alif David and I'm a real estate broker here in the city of Abuja who is committed to bringing you the absolute best of real estate, educating you to making informed decisions, and also bringing you the most affordable properties for sale in the Abuja real estate market. See you in my next video session, and today make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also drop a comment if this was very insightful for you as an investor. See you in my next video session.